Got to get an early start when you're going to an estate sale. We have all the necessary things, an IKEA bag and mask. And we're GPSing our way right to the sale. And we've got our mask on ready to go, but here's the sale. Anticipation of what might be in there. Look, it's a beautiful, beautiful old dresser and a vanity. But there's a problem. The house is full of smokers. Yuck. On the road again. This sale looks promising. Everybody has masks. Here's the house. We're ready. Gloves, bag. But another fail. So the next stop was to a yard sale. Is that some furniture? This looks interesting. Here's something over here. There it is. No, not my style. What else do they have? Nope. No, not that piece either. Hey, over there's a dresser over there, but oh my goodness, too much. So the yard sale was a fail. Sometimes you go down a long road looking for a yard sale, and there isn't one. Another day, another estate sale. This house was full of Christmas, none of it old. But we did find a piece of furniture here. One more estate sale. What will we find at this one? After several estate sales, a marketplace buy, and a couple yard sales, we did find some wonderful pieces to paint. Watch in upcoming videos to see how I turn these old pieces into new, beautiful pieces of furniture. Watch how I use DIY paint, which I sell at GoodsonVintageTreasures.com, and the Picket fence, Antiques and More in Newton, North Carolina, to change these old pieces into something new. And I also will use some IOD transfers, which I also sell at GoodsonVintageTreasures.com, and at just around the corner in Lincolnton, North Carolina. Don't forget to subscribe to see following videos of these pieces of furniture updated. And don't forget to hit the bell for reminders. See you soon. Thanks for watching.